If theta is acute and tan theta plus cot theta equal to 2, find sin³ θ plus cos³ θ. From the equation, tan theta plus cot theta equal to 2. We know that tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta plus cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta, that is equal to 2. By cross multiplying, we get sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by sin theta cos theta equal to 2. We also know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So we get 1 by sin theta cos theta equal to 2. Sin theta cos theta equal to 1 by 2. Let us call this as equation number 1. To find sin³ θ plus cos³ θ, we know that a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Sin theta plus cos theta into sin square theta minus sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta. The equation now it becomes sin theta plus cos theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 minus sin theta cos theta. Let us call this equation as 3. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. So it can be written as sin theta plus cos theta whole square equal to, now we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. We also know that from the equation 1, sin theta cos theta equal to 1 by 2. So the equation can be rewritten as sin theta plus cos theta whole square equal to 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled, equal to 2. Sin theta plus cos theta equal to square root 2. So let us call this as equation 2. Now substitute equation 2 and 1 in 3. So now the equation becomes sin³ θ plus cos³ θ equal to root 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2. That is equal to root 2 into 2 minus 1 divided by 2 equal to root 2 into 1 by 2 equal to root 2 into 1 by root 2 into root 2. Root 2 get cancelled. So sin³ θ plus cos³ θ equal to 1 by root 2. This is our final answer.